Alright, got an unboxing today from TboltUsa. I sent them a request and said I was going to make a new motorcycle YouTube channel, and they said they were going to send me some stickers and a banner and some swag. So we're going to see what all came. Awesome. I love some stickers. Box. My info. Sorry, I'm not a box thief. I don't open up boxes like they don't belong to me. Let's see here. Got here a banner. Careful. It's a banner or a sticker? Let's see. They said they were going to send a banner, a T-Bolt banner. T-shirt. Oh yeah. Check this out. That's gonna look nice on my back wall. Thank you so much, TboltUsa. All right. T-shirt. These guys are real nice at TboltUsa. You got a 50 or any other kind of small motorcycle, they got all the aftermarket parts for it. This is brand new. This is 2021. But the pegs, brake lever has changed out. On the other side, I got a better clutch lever. I'm going to upgrade to higher grips. Maybe even a better triple tree with a front disc brake, depending on my budget. But this TboltUsa shirt, I really like that. That's nice. And there's also bright koozie. If you lose your beer, you've definitely been drinking too much. And another thing of stickers. Thank you again, TboltUsa, and I plan on hopefully having a really good relationship with them in the future. And one of the first stickers I'll be putting on it, since I did buy this for my daughter, I'll put it right here on the side. Try to get all the bubbles out.